Okay, let me see. This one is D set, which is this one. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up a little bit, and then you can see that there's like beef in here, and rice, and cheese. There we go. Okay, time to enjoy. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that was the one D. There's also these ones. This one, pork knuckle, curry, all of these. And then you also got the menu. Sizzling, there's all kinds of stuff in this menu. Okay, so that's kind of the stuff that's here, and that's what it looks like. There was just a bunch of people here, but they just cleaned out. I think it's because it's a little bit funny time. It's 5 p.m. right there, as you can see on the clock. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. I'm going to film how to get to the restaurant, but this is how many days it is to the Olympic Beijing Games, 54 days. That might be good information, just in general. It might affect the city and how it brings in, how it changes with COVID and things like that, China and Macau and Hong Kong. Okay, so we're going to be going to the restaurant, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're basically starting at this jazz stage right here. I'm just going to kind of help you get to it a little bit. So we're going to be walking all the way through this way, and then we're going to angle a certain direction. So we'll show you how we go there. But basically, if you start at San Malo, or if you're a tourist or a local and you want to get to this restaurant and enjoy this food that I showed at the beginning, this is the way. And actually, to be honest, I'm actually filming this first, and then I'm gonna put this second in the film. So we're just gonna walk through this nice, beautiful Senado Square on a Tuesday afternoon. It's actually a holiday today. And this yellow part up ahead always changes. It's not always there. So we're gonna walk through the crowd a little bit, and then we're gonna angle to that restaurant. And it's in this alley, so it's a little bit difficult to find, but we'll get there. Plus you get to see a little bit more of Macau as well at the same time, so it's always good, right? And whenever I go to this particular Portuguese restaurant, I always get the same thing. It's kind of a cheesy kind of meal. Cheese, rice, and baked beef. So this is São Domingos, and we're pretty close by. We just have to go down that alley, and just kind of show you a little bit. So you can go different ways, just so we can kind of give a little context of where we are exactly. So we got that beautiful church right there, and we're going to be heading directly down this way. So let's head on down. And basically, if you're at São Domingos right here at this church, and you get there from San Malo over that way, then you'll just follow down Travessa do Soriano. And basically what we're going to do is walk straight down this way, and we're just going to go straight across the street that's straight ahead. So we'll show you how that goes. Oh no, got a car and a baby and a carriage and supplies. Okay. So we're going to keep on strolling straight. This is where we were at before. And then basically you can see, if you go straight through here, you'll see the black and white tiles. You can see, so you can see that street. And then Travessa dos Becos, which is this one right here. So we basically came down that street right there, and then now we're gonna just keep going down this way, this little alley. And it's right between this pink building and this yellow building. Both look kind of cool, don't they? And you just keep going down this little alley. And then you can see it right there. Lucky Dragon Portuguese. And that's the location that we're gonna be at. So it's kind of in this little alley right here. Oh, steak cafe. Dragon Portuguese Steak Cafe. And then you can see some of the choices here. There's a lot of different menus, a lot of different things on the menu. I'm going to take that inside in a second, and then just to kind of give you a reference point, this is where we came from. So we basically just walked down that black and white from São Domingos Church, went down this little alley, and came all the way over here. So it's kind of in this little alley like this, and this is called Travessa dos Becos. So yeah, you have to kind of get into this alley a little bit, and then you'll find Dragon Portuguese. Okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.